Hello children, let's learn the stanza-wise explanation of the poem Why about a curious little boy from Unit 4. Curious, which means someone who is very interested or eager to learn about things. Let's read the poem. First stanza. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why by the by? In the first stanza, the poet says that he knows a curious little boy who always sees things and asks questions. The boy, he is very eager and interested to know why things happen. That is, he questions that why this, why that, why now. Likewise, he go on questions. The boy, he searches for reason to learn about the happenings. Let's move on to the second stanza. He wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sink, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. Yes, in the second stanza, the poet says that the little boy, he wants to know why woods swim, that is, why woods are floating in the water, and also he questions why the materials like lead and marble get getting sink in the water. Also, he questions why sun shines and the wind blows. Also, he questions himself that why do we eat and drink? Third stanza. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky, why sinks the sun behind the hills and why the flowers die. In the third stanza, the poet says that the boy he further wants to know about what are the clouds made up of and why do they move when they cross the sky. He also wants to know that at sunset why the sun gets disappeared behind the hills and for what reason the pretty beautiful flowers are getting dried, that is, they die. Fourth stanza. Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you will try. Others, no one ever yet has found the reason why. Yes, in the last stanza, the poet, he says that some of the questions asked by the little boy are not difficult to answer. If we think the reason why, it would become easy for us to answer the child. But sometimes for some questions, we find it difficult. That is, no one can say the reason why things happen. Okay, children, we have learnt the poem Why about a little boy who is very eager to know the reason why do things happen, why it is so. From this shows that the boy he is intelligent and is curious to learn about everything he sees, he observes. Thank you, children. Keep thinking and keep reasoning. Happy learning.